Remember me when I've gone away, when the dark winter's days are here to stay. Remember me when the north wind blows, when Jack Frost bites at your fingers and toes. Remember me and my fragrance fair, when you next take a stroll in the chill night air. Remember me and my beautiful hues that delight the eye in purple and blues. And remember me, and wait for that day I return to your garden and for a while stay. So I was really missing the spring or looking forward, I should say, to the spring and summer. Can't wait. Can't wait. I've got the most lovely roses. The ground here is really, really good for roses. It's sandy soil and roses thrive in it. And here are the lovely bluebells. Can't wait for those. They're gorgeous, those bluebells. I just love pottering about in the greenhouse. All the lovely plants that I overwinter and eagerly wait to see if they survive the winter. I usually put on a layer of protection, like some fleece, or something like that. This is a little plant, a beautiful little plant that grows in all the cracks and crevices around here. It's just lovely. Look at that. Got it all in my greenhouse as well, between the paving stones in the greenhouse. This is London Pride. I love old wheels, you can tell. So every spring I get out all my little garden, statuary and place it in different places. I like to change it all up and it just makes the garden look different. I love doing that, change them around. I've been so lucky. There was an old lady that lived in the house next door and she died and she let me have all her garden ornaments, or her son did, and I got all sorts of beautiful things. She had some lovely things and I've been so lucky. This is one of them. There's a lot of different things that I was lucky enough to get. I just love the sound of the wind chimes. I've got them all over the garden and during the winter I put everything away, everything that will, deteriorate. Obviously the stone ornaments are fine, but anything that might rust or get ruined, I put away. And then in the spring, it's almost like Christmas. You get everything out and reposition it. It's good fun, actually. It's very therapeutic watching the birds, don't you think? Giving them lots and lots of goodies. They need it. They need it in the winter. Who would have thought the gentle little robin could be quite a bully? So this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I'm dreaming about. Spring and summer. I don't know about you. Are you? Are you dreaming about this? It won't be long now. It won't be long before you can go and play in your garden. Spring is on the way. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, it would be lovely if you could like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Bye for now. And as always, love from Cornwall.